So full screen. Yeah, visible.
We we are in the middle of a corona pandemic night, as you all know. अभी सारी दुनिया में कहीं भी देखो, न्यूज़पेपर में, इंटरनेट में, टीवी में, इट इज ओनली कोरोना कोरोना एंड कोरोना. एंड सबके दिमाग में काफी सारा डर घुस गया है कोरोना के बारे में. सो एवरीबडी इज सो अफ्रेड ऑफ कोरोना. आई थॉट आई विल डिस्कस सम पॉइंट्स ऑफ कोरोना विथ यू. एंड वी ऑल नो वी आर इन द मिडल ऑफ ए पेंडेमिक. सो डू यू नो व्हाट इज अ पेंडेमिक? Pandemic is a situation where a disease affects the whole world, not only a country, but the whole world. So, ये disease अपने हिंदुस्तान के लिए special नहीं है. This is not a special disease for India. This is spread all over the world, whether it is America, UK, Europe, China, everywhere it is there now. So we have to live with this corona, and I will discuss this coronavirus disease. COVID is a short form of coronavirus disease. It was first diagnosed in December 19 in China, Wuhan, and that is why it is called COVID-19. So these are the things we are going to discuss today. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 क्या चीज है? एक दो स्लाइड में आपको बताऊंगा. What are the preventive measures? Which is the best treatment? अपने आप को कोरोना से बचाए रखना है. So what are the preventive measures? What are the myths? This is the most important part of our discussion. काफी सारी चीजें घूम रही है मार्केट में, व्हाट्सएप में, और बहुत सारी चीजें गलत है उसमें. दैट इज व्हाई मैंने ये प्रोग्राम बनाने का सोचा कि हम लोग सब डिस्कस करें. और फाइनली द डिस्कशन, जिसमें आपका पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत जरूरी है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू कैन डिस्कस ऑल योर क्वेरीज एंड डाउट विद मी. सो व्हाट अबाउट कोरोना वायरस? कोरोना वायरस एक बहुत ही सूक्ष्म वायरस है. एक वेरी वेरी स्मॉल वायरस. Most of the virus are transmitted from a person to person by cough or from the air. जैसे टीबी होता है. टीबी is not a virus, it is a bacteria. but जब एक आदमी खांसता है तो उसके खांसी के साथ जो कीड़े निकलते हैं, जो हवा में होते हैं, वो जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो हमारी नाक में जाता है, हमारे मुंह में जाता है, और फिर हमें टीबी होता है. लेकिन ये कोरोना एक ऐसी चीज है कि जो दो तरह से फैलता है. एक तो आदमी से आदमी में, from people to people is transmitted. So this disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth when an infected person coughs or exhales. जब कोई आदमी जिसको कोरोना हुआ है, जो वो खांसी करता है, या वो जोर से छींकता है, या जोर से इवन बोलता है, तो काफी सारी उसके मुंह से हवा निकलती है, और उस हवा में वो कीड़े होते हैं. So whenever a person is coughing or sneezing, he exhales lot of air out of his mouth, which carries millions and millions of corona germs. Now, if you are in close contact with him, you can inhale those germs. वो आपके नाक में और मुंह में चले जाते हैं और आपको इन्फेक्शन होता है. बट सबसे खराब चीज ये कोरोना की ये है कि इट इज ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू सरफेसेस आल्सो. So these small droplets land on the surfaces, which means any person that touches the surfaces and then their eyes, nose or mouth can become infected. So टीबी में ऐसा नहीं होता है, दूसरी कोई बीमारियों में ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप कोई सरफेस को छुओ और अपने मुंह को लगाओ तो कुछ नहीं होता है. आप टीबी वाले पेशेंट के आसपास हो, टीबी वाले पेशेंट ने खांसा तो आपको टीबी हो सकता है. बट ये एक अलग किस्म की बीमारी है कोरोना वायरस. मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बोल रहा हूँ ताकि सब लोग समझ सके. So this is transmitted by surface also. Whenever somebody coughs, the small droplets from his cough land on the surfaces. It can land on the table, it can land on the dining table, it can land on the mobile phone, it can land on any surface, and it remains in the surface for a long time. That means whenever a person touches their surfaces and then he touches his eyes, nose or mouth, through the root of eyes, nose and mouth, this virus goes into his body and infects him. So what are the common symptoms? Commonest symptom is fever, dry cough and breathing difficulty. ये तीन चीज बहुत कॉमन है. बुखार आना, तेज बुखार आना, खांसी होना, मेनली सूखी खांसी होना, नाक नहीं गिलता है. There is no running nose in this, and they have a little difficulty in the breathing. Sometimes uncommon causes are they can have tiredness, they can present with aches and pains in the body, nasal congestion, headache, conjunctivitis, sore throat. 3% patient diarrhea के साथ present होते हैं. 3% of people can present with diarrhea. This is a very uncommon presentation, but even loose motion is a presentation. Loss of taste and smell. This is a very uncommon presentation, but we have seen some of the patient who just totally loses sense of taste and smell. अभी recently one of our sister complained to me कि मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मैं क्या खा रही हूँ, मेरे को मीठा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तीखा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मेरे को कोई स्मेल नहीं आ रही है, कुछ परफ्यूम लगा रहा हूँ बट समझ में नहीं आए. So if anybody complains of total loss of taste and smell, always suspect corona and send them for testing. So जो अपना स्वाद चला जाता है, अपनी सुगंध लेने की कैपेसिटी कम हो जाती है, उससे भी वो भी एक कोरोना का लक्षण हो सकता है. एंड समटाइम लाल लाल दाने निकलते हैं स्किन में, और अपनी उंगली और आंगुल वो सब ब्लू हो सकते हैं. दिस आर वेरी सीवियर केसेस जब ब्लू हो जाते हैं. So 80% ऑफ पीपल, सबसे बड़ी बात यह है जो मैं आपको आज बोलना चाहता हूं कि अगर 100 आदमी को कोरोना आता है पॉजिटिव, तो उसमें 80 to 85% ऑफ पेशेंट पूरा रिकवर हो जाते हैं. सो अबाउट 80% ऑफ पीपल विल रिकवर फ्रॉम दिस डिजीज विदाउट नीडिंग हॉस्पिटल ट्रीटमेंट. जैसे ये हमारे सिस्टर जिसका मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया, उसको कोई तकलीफ नहीं दी, जस्ट सी कंप्लेन कि हमको कुछ टेस्ट नहीं लग रहा है, हमने उसका टेस्ट किया, शी टर्न्ड आउट टू बी पॉजिटिव. आज उसको 15 दिन हो गए, आज ही मैंने सुबह उससे फोन पे बात की, एकदम नॉर्मल है वो. सो 80 to 85% ऑफ आदमी में अगर कोरोना पॉजिटिव भी होता है तो कोई डरने की बात नहीं है. ज्यादातर लोगों को कोई सिम्टम भी नहीं होते, कोई तकलीफ भी नहीं होती है. So those who have mild disease, they will have mild fever or little bit of cough for 2-3 days, or little bit of headache, body ache, and they will all recover. And some of the people will not even realize that. It is only when you test them you will find he is corona positive. Otherwise, he does not realize. So first reason I will request all of you is not to panic. Even if you get corona disease, 80 to 85% chance is that you will not even any symptoms. आपको डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. 85% लोगों को इस बीमारी का कोई ज्यादा असर नहीं होता है. काफी सारी क्रिटिसिज्म होती है कि हमारे देश में ये करना चाहिए था, वो करना चाहिए था, ये नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं कर रही है, हॉस्पिटल कुछ नहीं कर रही है. बट ये चार्ट मैंने 18 तारीख को बनाया है, 18 तारीख को, जस्ट 3 दिन पहले. अगर इफ यू कैन सी इन दिस चार्ट द नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स, दिस इज कंफर्म कोविड-19 डेथ्स, नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स इन यूएसए. ये लाल लाइन जो आपको दिख रही है, this red line which you are seeing has crossed more than 80,000 by the 18th of May. Today the number is increased. आज की तारीख में दुनिया में 51 लाख लोग से ज्यादा लोग कोरोना से प्रभावित है. More than 51 lakh people are affected with coronavirus infection. The Indian tally is 1,21,000 today, and today is the highest number of cases discovered all over the world. More than 5,500 cases have been reported all over the world in the last 24 hours. ये बीमारी बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं इसको, इज हाईली इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज, एक दूसरे को बहुत अफेक्ट करती है. बट ये जानलेवा बीमारी नहीं है. इट इज नॉट ए किलर कंडीशन, इट इज अ वेरी इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज. सो एवरीबडी हु कम्स इन क्लोज कांटेक्ट विद अ कोरोना पॉजिटिव पेशेंट इज लाइकली टू डेवलप कोरोना इन्फेक्शन, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन ही विल डाई. एंड लकीली लुक एट आवर ग्राफ. आप नीचे से दूसरी तरफ देखिए, नीचे साउथ कोरिया, उसके ऊपर इंडिया है. यू कैन सी माय एरो. देखिए इंडिया के अपने, हमारे यहाँ अभी we have a death of just about 3,000. We have about 3,000 deaths so far in India with a case load of about 1,20,000. So India is much better compared to United Nations, as you can see, compared to United Kingdom, compared to Italy, France and Spain. All ये सब civilized country है, ये western countries है. These are all advanced countries with advanced medical care, but somehow they have not been able to handle it. Death rate. इस आदमी के मरने की शक्यता ज्यादा होती है. Who are the people who are likely to die because of corona disease? It is only people who are above the age of 80. As you can see this, the death rate is very high. That is about 14 to 15%. This is the data from the Chinese Center of Disease Control and Prevention, which was shown in the BBC News channel. As you can see this, if your age is more than 80, then you have very high chance of dying. If your age is between 70 to 79, you have less chance, about 10%. If you are 80 plus, it is about 14%. If you are between 60 and 69, the chance is about 3%. And if you are a younger people, as you can see here, ये आपको जो yellow bar दिख रहा है, as you can see this, if you are young in age, the chance of death is very, very low. You may become diseased, you may be hospitalized, but the chance of death is just 3%. तो 1 लाख आदमी को अगर ये बीमारी होती है तो only 3% लोगों की जान जाती है. So death rate is just 3%. So आप एकदम कोई चिंता न करें. And as you can see here, in this health conditions, एक होता है ज्यादा उम्र ज्यादा होती है, उनको ये बीमारी ज्यादा प्रभावित करती है. So old age is a major risk factor. Other conditions are cardiovascular, जिसका हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम है, जिसका हार्ट फेल हो रहा है, जिसका हार्ट वीक है, जिसका एंजियोप्लास्टी हुआ है, बाईपास हुआ है, हार्ट की तकलीफ है, उनको ये बीमारी ज्यादा तकलीफ देती है. Those who have diabetes, those who have respiratory disease, particularly smokers, those who have hypertension, high blood pressure, they are more affected. So diabetes, blood pressure और heart की बीमारी वाले मरीजों को थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है. और as you can see this, भगवान ने हरदम लेडीजों के फेवर की है. So ladies have a less chance of death compared to males. This is the red line. Red bar is of males and females. So females have a less chance of dying. Males have slightly more chance of dying. But no matter what you have, your death rate is not more than 3 to 3.5% in our country. So how to prevent it? You can reduce your chance of being infected by COVID-19 by taking some simple precautions. सबसे बड़ा इसका इलाज यही है कि हम इसको प्रिवेंट करें. हम ऐसी एक्टिविटी करें कि जैसे ये बीमारी हमें ना लगे. और सबसे लिए इसके लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, लॉकडाउन वाज, दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Protecting yourself and preventing the spread of the disease. Wash your hands with alcohol-based sanitizer with soap or water. अगर आपके पास घर में साबुन और पानी है तो उससे 20 सेकंड तक बराबर घिस के हाथ धोइए. हाथ को सामने पीछे, दो उंगलियों के बीच में, अंगूठे में. 20 seconds you have to wash your hand perfectly. Front of the hand, back of the hand, the thumb in between the fingers. और आप घड़ी लेके तो नहीं जाओगे बाथरूम में. जब हाथ धो रहे हो तो आप कैसे काउंट करोगे कि 20 सेकंड हुई है? तो जब आप हाथ धो रहे हो तब आप साबुन से जब इसको घिस रहे हो तब आप काउंट कीजिए 1 2 3 4 5. तो यूजुअली 20 से 25 तक काउंट कीजिए. तब तक आप अपने हाथ को धोते रहिए, घिसते रहिए और उसके बाद सिंपल पानी से उसे धो ले. अगर आप कहीं बाहर गए हो, when you are out of home, then you use sanitizers. When there is no access to the soap and water, then you can use sanitizer. Now there are so many sanitizers available in market. You should have an alcohol based sanitizer. जब आप sanitizer खरीदो तो उसमें देख लेना कि अल्कोहल की मात्रा 60% से ज्यादा होनी चाहिए. Alcohol content should be more than 60%. Lot of herbal sanitizers, these sanitizers, they will not protect you from COVID. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter between yourself and anyone who coughs or sneezes. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, जब एक आदमी खांसी करता है या जब छींक करता है तो काफी सारी मात्रा में उनके छोटे छोटे थूक के पार्टिकल्स हवा में निकलते हैं और थोड़ी देर तक वो हवा में घूमते रहते हैं. वो नीचे जमीन में आने में उसको टाइम लगता है. अगर आप उस हवा में हो तो आपको भी ये हो सकता है. So keep a distance of 1 meter between yourself and anybody who coughs and sneezes, because when he coughs or sneezes, there is a lot of particle which he puts in the environment and they remain floating in the environment for some time. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया पहले भी, this virus is of very 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 small weight. It floats in the air for some time. So if you pass through that air or if you are around that air, you are likely to get this coronavirus. Try your best not to touch your eyes, your nose and your mouth. अपनी जो स्किन की चमड़ी है वो बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव है. अगर स्किन की चमड़ी में कुछ लग गया तो कुछ नहीं होगा. बट अगर आप अपने मुंह पे वो हाथ लगाए, आपने गलत सरफेस पे टच किया, एक आदमी ने जोर से खांसी की एंड देन उनकी खांसी के जो बारीक कीटाणु निकले जो टेबल पे लगे हुए, वो मोबाइल पे लगे हुए, जो सरफेस पे लगे, दीवार पे लगे, इफ यू टच दैट बाय मिस्टेक और फिर यू टच योर आईज और नोज और माउथ, तो यू आर लाइकली टू गेट इन्फेक्शन. तो अगर आप कोई सरफेस को टच करते हो और उसके बाद अपने आंखों को या नाक को या मुंह को अगर टच करते हो तो उस मुंह के रास्ते या आंखों के रास्ते या नाक के रास्ते में वायरस अपने बॉडी के अंदर चले जाएगा. सो इफ यू टच एनी सरफेस, please clean your hands with a vaporizer, sanitizers. And if you have touched your any surface, please make it a habit not to touch your mouth, not to touch your nose and not to touch your eyes. अब हमारी भी जिम्मेदारी बनती है. मुझे भी कोरोना हो सकता है, मेरे को पता नहीं है. तो जब हम खांसी करते हैं तो हमें एक रुमाल का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए या टिश्यू का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. और जब रुमाल या टिश्यू नहीं हो तो अपना कंधा मुंह के सामने ले आइए, अपना ये शोल्डर आई मीन एल्बो, सो यू कवर इट. तो वो जो कीटाणु को हवा में ज्यादा ना घूमने दे. सो यू प्लीज कवर योर माउथ एंड योर नोज विथ योर बेंट एल्बो और टिश्यू व्हाइल कफिंग. और जब वो टिश्यू को खांसते हो टिश्यू में तो टिश्यू को इमीडिएटली फेंक दे. और अगर वो रुमाल से खांसी करते रुमाल के सामने तो रुमाल को घर आके इमीडिएटली अच्छे से धो ले. एक रुमाल दूसरे दिन ना यूज करे. Seek medical attention if you have difficulty in breathing and high fever. अगर आपको खांसी होती है, सांस में तकलीफ होती है, अगर बुखार होता है तो अपने डॉक्टर का सलाह लीजिए. पास की हॉस्पिटल में जाइए, आपके डॉक्टर को फोन कीजिए. नहीं तो गवर्नमेंट ने काफी सारे नंबर दिए, उस नंबर पे आप फोन कीजिए. घर का इलाज ज्यादा ना करें. छोटे मोटे कफ या बुखार हो तो डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बट अगर लगता है आपको कि बुखार कुछ ज्यादा चल रहा है, बुखार कुछ ज्यादा है, खांसी ज्यादा हो रही है, सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो रही है, so please seek immediate medical attention. So whenever you have a cough, fever, breathing difficulty, loss of taste, loss of smell, diarrhea, please seek medical attention. Follow the directions of national and local health authorities. This is very, very important because this is a new disease. We are all learning about it. We never had any experience of this. So we are learning from what happened in China, what happened in USA, what mistakes they made in UK, what mistakes they made in Spain. We are all learning from that. And based on that, we give our feedback to the government, to the health ministry, and they come up with the guidelines. So please follow the directions of national and local health authorities. जितनी भी हमें नई नॉलेज मिल रही है अभी यूके से, चाइना से, अमेरिका से, वहाँ क्या गलती हुई, क्या अच्छा हुआ, कैसे पेशेंट बचे, कैसे पेशेंट को ज्यादा इन्फेक्शन हुआ, किस हॉस्पिटल में ज्यादा डॉक्टर लोग इन्फेक्ट हो गए, कैसे इन्फेक्ट हो गए, वो सब इन्फॉर्मेशन हम डेली कलेक्ट करते हैं और गवर्नमेंट को हम अपना सुझाव देते हैं. इसके बेसिस पे गवर्नमेंट उसका जनता के लिए मैसेज निकालती है, किसको टेस्ट करना चाहिए, कैसे टेस्ट करना चाहिए, कौन सी हॉस्पिटल में जाना चाहिए, वो सब अपने को बताती है. सो अगर आपको कोई तकलीफ हो तो आप अपने डॉक्टर के पास जाए या तो जो गवर्नमेंट की जो एडवाइस है उसको मानते रहिए. The most important part is how to use mask. ये सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है आपके लिए. The most important. This is your biggest insurance against coronavirus. So before wearing a mask, wash your hands with alcohol-based disinfectant with soap and water. So आप जब घर से बाहर निकलने का सोच रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले साबुन और पानी से अपना हाथ अच्छे से धोइए, जिस तरह आपको मैंने बताया 20 सेकंड तक. और जब हाथ धो रहे हैं साबुन से तो मन में काउंट कीजिए 1 2 3 4 5 20 से 25 तक काउंट कीजिए, फिर उसको धो लीजिए. So please wash your hand with soap and water first. Then you touch a sterile new mask and cover your mouth and nose. मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को देखता हूँ उसको खाली मुंह पे मास्क लगा होता है, नाक खुला रहता है. और काफी सारे यंगस्टर को मैं देखता हूँ वो मुंह के नीचे गले में मास्क लटकते रहता है. वो गलत चीज है. ये कभी भी कोई भी हवा से ये अपने को आ सकता है और गलती से अपने कोई सरफेस को टच कर लिया और फिर अपने मुंह पे हाथ लगा दिया, नाक पे हाथ लगा दिया तो कोरोना वायरस हो सकता है अपने को. So please cover your mouth and nose with mask and make sure the mask is firmly pressed against your face. तो थोड़ा टाइटली मास्क बांधना है. मास्क और मुंह के बीच में ज्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. कोई फैशनेबल मास्क लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't require N95 mask, which is meant for the doctors and nurses. A general population does not require N95 mask. Any simple mask can do. और अगर मास्क नहीं है तो आप घर पे भी बना सकते हैं. कपड़े का मास्क भी चलेगा. Any mask will do. Idea is to cover your nose and mouth. और गलती से अगर आप अपने मुंह पे हाथ लगाने जाते हो या नाक पे हाथ लगाने जाते हो तो ये मास्क उसको प्रिवेंट करेगा. और आजू बाजू में कोई खांस रहा है, आजू बाजू की हवा में अगर वो कीड़े हैं तो मास्क के सामने वो रुक जाएंगे, आके आपको इन्फेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. तो मास्क सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है आज की तारीख में. जब से घर में जब भी बाहर निकलो, इवन घर से नीचे भी जाओ, सब्जी लेने जाओ 5 मिनट के लिए, दूध लेने जाओ, प्लीज यूज मास्क. घर से बाहर अगर निकल रहे हो तो बिना मास्क के घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना है. डू नॉट टच द फ्रंट ऑफ मास्क व्हाइल यू आर वेयरिंग इट. मास्क का जो फ्रंट है मैं बहुत बार देखता हूँ, बहुत सारे मरीज में देखता हूँ घर आते और मास्क के सामने हाथ रख के मास्क को निकाल लेते हैं. सो प्लीज डू नॉट टच द फ्रंट ऑफ द मास्क व्हाइल यू आर वेयरिंग इट. जहां तक हो सके उसको अवॉइड करो. जब आप घर में वापस आओ, मास्क के पीछे की जो स्ट्रेप है उसको टच करना है, मास्क के फ्रंट को टच नहीं करना है. मास्क के फ्रंट में कीड़े लगे होते हैं. सो व्हेनेवर यू कम बैक होम एंड वांट टू रिमूव योर मास्क, प्लीज रिमूव इट फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. Touch the strap of the mask behind your ear and pull it out. Please do not touch the front of the mask. मास्क के सामने वाले हिस्से को हाथ न लगाए और मास्क को सीधे कचरा पेटी में डाल दीजिए, इधर उधर टच ना करें कहीं भी. So replace the mask as soon as it gets wet. अगर आप लंबे टाइम तक बाहर है, खांस रहे हैं, हवा से जोर जोर सांस ले रहे हैं, स्नीज कर रहे हैं, तो स्वाभाविक है कि आपका मास्क अंदर से गीला हो जाता है. तो कभी कभार पर्टिकुलरली डॉक्टरों के लिए होता है, हमारे लिए आपको ये तकलीफ नहीं होती है ज्यादा. अगर आपका मास्क ज्यादा गीला हो गया है या सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो रही है तो जिस तरह मैंने आपको बताया, मास्क को पीछे से पकड़ के निकाल लेना है और फेंक देना है. सामने को मास्क के सामने टच नहीं करना है. जो भी डिस्पोजेबल मास्क है उसको फिर से यूज नहीं करना है. बहुत लोग उसको घर में आके धोते हैं, उसके ऊपर अल्कोहल लगाते हैं, सैनिटाइजर लगाते हैं, धूप में लटकाते हैं. Nothing can protect you. So please do not use disposable mask again. If you are using a cloth mask, you can wash it. You can properly wash it with soap and water and you can reuse it again. But do not use disposable mask. Remove mask from behind. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, पीछे से मास्क को निकालना है. Do not touch its front side. Please do not touch the front side, which is the most risky thing. So please do not touch the front side of the mask and throw it in a closed container. अगर हो सके कोई थैली हो तो उसके अंदर डाल के कचरे के डब्बे में डाल दे, नहीं तो कचरे में के डब्बे में डाल के उसको बंद कर दे. एंड उसके बाद क्योंकि आपने अपने मास्क को हाथ लगाया है वॉश योर हैंड्स विद एन अल्कोहल बेस्ड डिसइंफेक्टेंट, अगर आप बाहर हो, और घर में हो तो विद सोप एंड वाटर. सो इवन आफ्टर रिमूविंग योर मास्क यू हैव टू वॉश योर हैंड विद सोप एंड वाटर फॉर एटलीस्ट 20 सेकंड. मास्क डालने के पहले भी यू हैव टू यूज soap and water to wash your hand, and after removing the mask again you have to use your soap and water to wash your hand. So mask निकालने के पहले आपको मास्क लगाने के पहले साबुन से हाथ धोना है, और जब आपका काम खत्म हो जाए घर में वापस आ जाओ, जब मास्क निकालो तो वापस हाथ धोना है. मास्क निकालने के बाद घर में जाके आराम से नहीं बैठना है. मास्क निकालने के बाद बाथरूम में जाके अपना मास्क फेंक देना है और साबुन और पानी से अपना हाथ फिर से धोना है. So now the most important part, जिसके लिए मैंने आज ये मीटिंग रखी थी, that is about the myths and the facts. Does new coronavirus affect older people or are younger people also susceptible? ये बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स को मैं देखता हूँ जब मैं हॉस्पिटल में जाता हूँ, तो चौराहे पे 4-5 यंग लड़के खड़े रहते हैं. एक बार मैंने उसको खड़े रह के पूछा, once I asked a group of 4-5 youngsters standing in the corner of my building, okay, why are you standing outside? Aren't you afraid that you will get coronavirus? He says, sir, ये तो बूढ़े लोगों की बीमारी है. These disease affect older people. Young people are not affected by this. ये गलत है. It can affect a small kid. It can affect a newborn. It can affect young people. It can affect old people. So it can affect anybody. It can affect anybody. But ये disease takes a bad course in the people who are little aged because their immune system is little weak, and people who have underlying disease like asthma, those who are chronic smoking, ज़्यादा बीड़ी सिगरेट पीते, those who have diabetes, heart disease और blood pressure, इन लोगों को ये ज्यादा बीमारी तकलीफ देती है. बट ऐसा ये मानना गलत है कि यंग लोगों को ये नहीं होती है. इट कैन अफेक्ट एनीबॉडी, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड टू यंग चाइल्ड टू स्कूल गोइंग चाइल्ड टू यंग पीपल टू ओल्ड पीपल, मेल एंड फीमेल, एवरीबॉडी कैन अफेक्ट. लकीली जो हमने देखा है कि यंग पीपल में, पर्टिकुलरली बच्चों में, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. चिल्ड्रंस हु आर बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 5 to 20 years, they don't get very severe disease. Luckily, they don't get very severe disease. They get affected, but they don't get serious disease. So बच्चों में भी होता है, but बीमारी कोई ज्यादा गंभीर रूप बच्चों में नहीं लेती है. There are currently no drugs licensed for the treatment of prevention of COVID-19. जब मैं देखता हूँ टीवी में, ट्रम्प साहब बोलते हैं हाइड्रोक्सीक्लोरोक्विन खानी चाहिए, डिसइंफेक्टेंट बॉडी में डालना चाहिए. ये गलत है. दुनिया में ये नई बीमारी है. इसका एक्सपीरियंस हमें 3 महीने का है, 4 महीने का है, मैक्सिमम 5 महीने का एक्सपीरियंस है इस बीमारी के बारे में. इसके पहले दुनिया के कोई डॉक्टरों को, कोई हॉस्पिटलों को, कोई देश की इस बीमारी के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं थी. हम लोग काफी सारी रिसर्च कर रहे हैं. ये हाइड्रोक्सीक्लोरोक्विन से फायदा होता है कि नहीं होता है, एंटीबायोटिक से फायदा होता है कि नहीं फायदा होता है, ये सब पे अभी रिसर्च चल रही है. काफी सारी रिसर्च चल रही है. बट एज ऑफ नाउ no drug has been conclusively proved to be useful in this. Only that you have to maintain your good immunity, good lifestyle, so that you don't get infected. And if you get infected, we will give you some medicines, but none of these medicines are found to be 100% useful. Adding pepper to your soup or other meals does not prevent or cure COVID-19. ये सबसे गलत इंफॉर्मेशन है. गलत इंफॉर्मेशन. अगर आप वो काढ़ा बना के पीते हो तो आपका कोरोना वायरस चला जाएगा. अगर आपको कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी है तो दुनिया में इसका कोई इलाज नहीं है. बट अगर आपको कोरोना वायरस प्रिवेंट करना है तो आप वो काढ़ा बना के पी सकते हो. वो आपको जनरलाइज इम्यूनिटी देती है. पर्टिकुलरली कोविड वायरस के अगेंस्ट में आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेगा ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. आयुष मंत्रालय ने भी यह दिखाया है कि अभी काढ़ा पीते तो अपनी जनरलाइज इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है, अपनी बॉडी की प्रतिकारक शक्ति बढ़ती है, और ओन इम्यूनिटी improves. But that does not mean that you will be protected from COVID-19. So you have to take all other precautions. सुबह शाम काढ़ा पीने से या आयुर्वेदिक दवाई लेने से या होम्योपैथिक दवाई लेने से you will be cured or you will be protected. ये गलत इंप्रेशन है, गलत धारणा है. Ayurvedic and homeopathic medicine will not prevent you. It will not cure your disease. COVID-19 is not transmitted through houseflies. अभी कुछ लोगों को मैंने सवाल किया कि मेरे को फोन आया, डॉक्टर साहब हमारे घर में मच्छर बहुत है, मक्खियां बहुत है, हमको ज्यादा चांस है, हमें मच्छरदानी लगानी चाहिए. अभी तक की जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे पास है, ये मच्छर से नहीं ट्रांसमिट होता है, ये मक्खियों से ट्रांसमिट नहीं होता है. दिस डिजीज इज नॉट ट्रांसमिटेड बाय मॉस्किटोज और हाउस फ्लाई, सो यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दोस थिंग्स. दिस डिजीज इज ट्रांसमिटेड बाय द ड्रॉपलेट्स और एरोसोल. जब आदमी खांसता है वो कीड़े वाले पार्टिकल हवा में आ जाते हैं और वो उसी से इन्फेक्शन होता है. अदरवाइज मच्छर माखियों से नहीं होता है. So there is no reason to worry about mosquitoes and houseflies. spraying or introducing bleach or another disinfectant into your body will not protect you against COVID-19 and can be dangerous. अभी मैं तो ज्यादा न्यूज नहीं देखता हूँ, but somebody told me कि ट्रम्प साहब ने कहा कि आदमी को डिसइंफेक्टेंट से स्प्रे करना चाहिए. कुछ मैंने छोटे वीडियो देखे व्हाट्सएप में कि जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स यूपी वापस गए, वहां की लोकल अथॉरिटी ने उनको डिसइंफेक्टेंट से स्प्रे किया. So disinfectant does not protect you. Disinfectant is meant for non-living items. Disinfectant is not meant for human being. So bleach and disinfectant should be used carefully only on the surfaces or on the non-living items. अपने human being पे आदमी के ऊपर disinfectant का छिड़काव नहीं करना है, bleach का छिड़काव नहीं करने का है, क्लोरीन का छिड़काव नहीं करने का है. अगर आपकी दीवार, टेबल, कपड़े जिसपे भी आपको कुछ यूज करना है तो करो, बट आदमी पे या disinfectant का नहीं करना है. So there is no role of disinfectant or bleach on the human body. It can, in fact, it can be harmful. If it goes to your eyes, it can burn your eye. I mean, it can cause burning in your eyes, and chlorine can be very harmful. It should be kept, everything, all this disinfectant, bleach, and even sanitizer should be kept out of the reach of the children because they can be harmful to the children. Exposing yourself to the sun or temperature higher than 25 degrees centigrade does not prevent or cure COVID. ये काफी सारी धारणा थी हमारे देश के लोगों में कि whenever the summer sets in India, when the temperature is 38 degree, 39 degree, in some part it is 44 degree, 45 degree, this virus will not be able to transmit. ये गलत धारणा है. Whether it is cold or hot, this coronavirus survives. They will be killed only if the temperature goes about 60 degree for significant duration of time. Otherwise, it will not be killed. So summer does not give you any protection. So you have to clean your hands frequently. You have to use soap and water. You have to use sanitizers, and you have to specifically use your mask and maintain social distancing. Summer month does not protect you. ऐसा नहीं है कि hot countries में does not. If you see the example of Iran, Iran is a reasonably hot country. काफी सारे disease उधर हुए और काफी सारे लोग ईरान में भी अपने जान से हाथ धो बैठे. So countries like Iran, which are very hot countries, unlike countries like US and UK, which are a relatively cold country, there is no difference. So temperature does not remove this virus from the system. So even if we are in the middle of a very high summer, it will not protect us. So we have to take all protective steps. और एक myth बहुत चल रहा है. You can revert from coronavirus और मेरे को वापस हो जाएगा, तो ऐसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Once you get coronavirus, you can develop some immunity. एक बार आपको अगर कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्शन हो गया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि लाइफ लॉन्ग यू आर डिसेबल्ड, वो आपको बार बार तकलीफ देता है, ऐसा नहीं है. Once you get infected with coronavirus, your body will develop immunity against it, and you will be protected most likely for the life. We don't know the long term outcome of this. This is the concept of vaccine. Vaccine का यही आइडिया है कि हम आपको एक ऐसी कोरोना वायरस की वैक्सीन देंगे जो बॉडी विल सी इट एज ए कोरोना वायरस और उसके अगेंस्ट में वो एंटीबॉडी बनाएंगे विदाउट causing any disease like fever, cough or anything. That is what vaccines are being done, developed for it. So आपको एक बार somebody gets a coronavirus, he is protected from it. There should be no stigma about it. When a patient comes from the hospital, please clap him and welcome into your home or into your society. He is not infective to others. In fact, he will develop antibodies, and now a lot of research is being done. ये उसके खून में से वो एंटीबॉडी निकाल के जो सबसे सीरियस पेशेंट है जो वेंटिलेटर पे है उसको वो एंटीबॉडी दिया जाए तो उसको वो वायरस फाइट करने में मदद मिल सकती है. सो एक बार इन्फेक्शन हो गया इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग कोई ज्यादा बीमारी रहेगी. सो प्लीज डू नॉट वरी. आपको कफ खांसी कुछ होता है तो प्लीज डॉक्टर से संपर्क करें. अगर डॉक्टर से संपर्क किया तो काफी सारे डॉक्टर्स फोन पे कंसल्टिंग करते हैं. मैं भी फोन पे कंसल्टिंग करता हूँ. आप मेरे को फोन कर सकते हो, नहीं तो गवर्नमेंट की हेल्पलाइन पे फोन कर सकते हो, नहीं तो आसपास की हॉस्पिटल में फोन कर सकते हो. आपको बताएंगे कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है. बट एक बार कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्शन हुआ इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू आर डिसेबल्ड फॉर लाइफ. Being able to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more without coughing or feeling discomfort does not mean you are free from coronavirus disease. ऐसे मेरे को भी व्हाट्सएप पे भी एक अच्छा सा पिक्चर आया है कि आप अपनी बीवी के साथ झगड़ा कर लो, 10 मिनट तक बराबर झगड़ा करो जोर जोर से. अगर आपने झगड़ा कर लिया 10 मिनट तक जोर जोर से बोल पाए तो आपको फेफड़े की कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, आपको कोरोना वायरस नहीं हो सकता है. ये गलत है. If you can hold your breath, maybe your lung capacity is better, but that does not mean that you don't have coronavirus. So ये गलत धारणा है. So if you have cough, fever, अगर सांस की तकलीफ भी नहीं हो but fever है, cough है, तो please contact your doctor. 10 सेकंड तक सांस होल्ड करना ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको कोरोना वायरस नहीं हो सकता है। इसके बारे में मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि कोरोना वायरस कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड इन एनी कंट्री, इन एनी एनवायरनमेंट, वेदर इट इज अ हॉट कंट्री और अ कोल्ड कंट्री और अ ह्यूमिड कंट्री। That is not a reason to protect you. The most important reason to protect you is to not to touch your face, not to touch your nose, not to touch your mouth, not to touch your eyes. That is your biggest precaution. Temperature does not protect you. Humidity does not protect you. एक और भी ये चल रहा है कि taking hot bath will prevent from coronavirus disease because virus मर जाएंगे. This virus is a very strong virus. इतनी जल्दी से वो नहीं मरते. So a lot of people do take a bath with a very hot water. This will burn your skin. This will harm you. This is not correct. You can take bath with cold water. You can take bath with hot water, whichever you like it. But please do not take bath with a very hot water. Otherwise, it will burn your skin and virus will not go out of your system if it is there. कुछ लोग हैंड ड्रायर का यूज करते हैं कि मेरा हाथ में गर्म कर लेता हूं तो मेरे को वायरस नहीं होगा, मेरे को हाथ धोने की जरूरत नहीं है. Are hand dryers effective in killing the new virus? No, absolutely no. You have to wash your hand with soap and water and then clean it with a nice clean napkin. And if you don't have a napkin, in many of these restaurants and hotels and many places, in many offices, you will see a dryer like this. Yes, after washing your hand, you can dry it, but without washing, only drying will not help you. So please do not ignore soap and water. And if you are out of home, if you have no access to soap and water, please carry a small bottle of sanitizer with you all the time. Keep it in your car, keep it in your pocket, and wash your hand with sanitizer. You can dry your hand after washing with this hand dryer, but not before washing. It does not help you. Do vaccines against pneumonia protect you against new coronavirus? This is a question many patients ask me. Sir, I have taken pneumonia vaccine. I have been given influenza vaccine. Am I protected from coronavirus? ये totally different बीमारी है. Pneumonia vaccine will protect you from pneumonia. Influenza vaccine will protect you from influenza. It will not protect you from coronavirus. It will not give you any special immunity. So you are not protected. काफी लोग मुझे ये सवाल पूछते हैं कि मैं अपने चेस्ट के डॉक्टर के पास गया था, उन्होंने मेरे को इन्फ्लुएंजा का वैक्सीन लगा दिया, एक इंजेक्शन लगा दिया, मेरे को न्यूमोनिया का इंजेक्शन लगा दिया, मेरे को बोला अभी 5 साल तक आपको न्यूमोनिया नहीं होगा, 1 साल तक आपको इन्फ्लुएंजा नहीं होगा, तो मैं तो प्रोटेक्टेड हूँ, मेरे को कोरोना वायरस नहीं होगा, मेरे पास तो इम्यूनिटी है. ये गलत है. अगर आपको निमोनिया की वैक्सीन दी गई है तो आप निमोनिया से प्रोटेक्टेड हो. आपको इन्फ्लुएंजा की वैक्सीन दी गई है तो आप इन्फ्लुएंजा से प्रोटेक्टेड हो. आप कोरोना वायरस से प्रोटेक्टेड नहीं हो. तो जो मैं बार बार आपको कह रहा हूँ, आपको मास्क यूज करना है, आपको हाथ धोना है और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करके रखना है. अभी ये काफी आयुर्वेद वाले डॉक्टर आए, कहते हैं नाक के अंदर घी डालो, सूंठ डालो, जिंजर पाउडर डालो नाक के अंदर. ये गलत है. इट विल आपको नाक में तकलीफ होगी, जलन होगी. नाक के अंदर घी डालने से, सूंठ का पाउडर डालने से, सलाइन डालने से यू आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड. यू आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड. सो नाक के अंदर कोई भी ज्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So regularly rinsing your nose with saline water or with dry ginger or with ghee or with some Ayurvedic medicine does not protect you from coronavirus. In fact, it might cause irritation to your nose. It does not protect you. So don't do those things. Can eating garlic prevent infection with new coronavirus? ये भी बहुत सारा चल रहा है. काफी मेरे दोस्तों का भी मेरे को फोन आया, भूपेन तुम हॉस्पिटल में जाते हो, बहुत सारे पेशेंट को देखते हो, एक काम करो, तुम जैन आदमी हो, फिर भी ये लहसुन खा लो, लहसुन खा लो. यस, लहसुन से थोड़ी बहुत इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है, ऐसा कुछ लोग मानते हैं. कुछ एंटी बैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टी भी लहसुन में है, बट एंटी वायरल कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है इसके अंदर. सो ईटिंग गार्लिक विल नॉट प्रिवेंट यू फ्रॉम कोरोना वायरस. मे बी इट कैन गिव यू सम जनरलाइज्ड एक्स्ट्रा इम्यूनिटी, which is also very, very doubtful. Some people have shown that antimicrobial property it has, but there is no proof of it. So if you like garlic, you take it, but don't be under a wrong impression that by taking too much of garlic, you are protected from coronavirus. Coronavirus, लहसुन खाने से नहीं बच पाओगे. Are antibiotics effective in preventing and treating the new coronavirus? एक एंटीबायोटिक चाइना में कुछ ज्यादा यूज हुई, उसका नाम है एजिथ्रोमाइसिन. वो अमेरिका में भी बहुत यूज हुई और बीच में हमारी सब मेडिकल स्टोर में से एजिथ्रोमाइसिन गायब हो गई. सब लोगों ने ये सब व्हाट्सएप पे देखा, टीवी में देखा, न्यूज में देखा, सब लोग ने एजिथ्रोमाइसिन की टैबलेट ले ली. Azithromycin is an antibacterial. It is an antibiotic. It will work against bacteria. It will not work against virus. Coronavirus is a virus disease. उसमें कोई एंटीबायोटिक का कोई रोल नहीं है. हाँ, अगर आपको ज्यादा बीमारी है, आप हॉस्पिटल में हो, आपको बहुत ज्यादा इन्फेक्शन हो गया, आप हॉस्पिटल में हो, आपको यूरिन की ट्यूब लगाई गई है, आपको हॉस्पिटल के अंदर इन्फेक्शन होने का चांस ज्यादा रहता है, इसके लिए हम हॉस्पिटल में एंटीबायोटिक देते हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस पेशेंट है. A normal people at home does not require any antibacterial or any antibiotic. It does not help them. In fact, some of these antibiotics and even hydroxychloroquine, जो हम SCQ के नाम से जानते हैं, it can be harmful in cardiac patients. So you should not take it without proper advice from your doctor. Are there any specific medicines to prevent and treat new coronavirus? Answer is big no. Big no. दुनिया में अभी तक आयुर्वेदिक, होम्योपैथिक और एलोपैथिक कोई भी ट्राई की आप देख लो, there is no proved medicine because this is a new disease. None of us have any experience about it. We are learning from the experience of our colleagues in Spain, in Italy, in USA, in UK and China. वहाँ पेशेंट को क्या दवाई दी गई थी, कैसे दी गई थी, कैसे उसका आउटकम हुआ, उसका भी हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं. लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च इज गोइंग ऑन, लॉट ऑफ रिसर्चेस आर बीइंग कंडक्टेड. वैक्सीन के बारे में भी काफी रिसर्च हो रही है. बट एज ऑफ नाउ on 21st of May 2021, there is no proved or approved treatment for the coronavirus. With this, one good thing I want to tell you is that we are developing a vaccine. कोई भी नई चीज हम डेवलप करते हैं उसको टाइम लगता है, वो एक दिन में नहीं आ सकती है. मॉडर्ना करके एक यूएसए की कंपनी है, उसने अभी कुछ वैक्सीन पे रिसर्च किया है और दे फाउंड द रिजल्ट टू बी वेरी गुड. अभी वो 600 आदमी को वैक्सीन दी जाएगी, उसको हम 1 या 2 महीने तक विल ऑब्जर्व हिम. So about 600 people will, normal healthy people will be given that vaccine, and then we will observe them for 1 or 2 months. Then we'll see how it behaves. If it is not found to be unsafe, then we will give it to a big number of patients. We will observe them for 3-4 months, and then if approved, this vaccine will come into the market. So as of now, there are a lot of hopes, but we will have to wait for a few months, maybe a year before this vaccine comes. So with this, I will end my talk here, and my 3 questions which my patients, I'm very worried about my patients and I want to answer your queries on this. 3 चीज की मुझे बहुत चिंता है because मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मेरे पास ब्लड प्रेशर के पेशेंट आते हैं, डायबिटीज के पेशेंट आते हैं, हार्ट के पेशेंट आते हैं. So question is, if I have high blood pressure, what precaution should I take? मुझे ब्लड प्रेशर की बीमारी है, मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए? अभी लॉकडाउन हो गया, मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाता नहीं हूँ, डॉक्टर को फोन करता है तो डॉक्टर बोलते हैं क्लिनिक में मत आओ. तो क्या करना है? आपके पास जो भी दवाई है, आपके डॉक्टर ने आपको जो भी ब्लड प्रेशर की दवाई लिख के दी है, वो सब दवाइयाँ लेनी है, उसी डोज में लेनी है. दवाई अगर खत्म हो गई है तो फिर से दवाई ले लेनी है. आजकल दवाई की दुकान वाले आपसे नया प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं मांगेंगे. अगर आप उसको बोलो कि ये मैं दवाई ले रहा हूँ, तो वो आपको नया प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के, बिना नया प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के वो आपको दवाई दे देंगे. Government has also approved this. You can consult your doctor if you are very worried about high or low blood pressure. You can consult your doctor on the phone and he will prescribe you medicine. But till this coronavirus is there and till you can physically see your doctor, please continue all your blood pressure medicines without any change. Please continue till you see your doctor next. एक ग्रुप ऑफ दवाई है जिसको हम लोग एस इनहिबिटर बोलते हैं और ARB बोलते हैं. तो काफी सारा अभी उसके बारे में डिस्कशन हुआ. There was a lot of discussion about a drug called ARBs and ACE inhibitors. They are harmful. They are not harmful. उनका और वायरस का जो रिसेप्टर होता है, they are almost same होता है. That is why people were worried कि ये अगर ये दवाई मैं ले रहा हूँ तो मुझे चांस ज्यादा है कि वायरस मुझे अफेक्ट करेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. The receptor where this drug X and the receptor with this virus X are very very same. But it has not been found to have any negative effect. So please continue any class of drug which your doctor has prescribed you. आपके डॉक्टर ने जो भी दवाइयाँ दी है वो आप चालू रखें, ज्यादा सोचिए नहीं उसके बारे में. अमेरिका से, यूरोप से, कनाडा से ये गाइडलाइंस आ गई है कि जो भी दवाइयाँ चालू रखी है वो चालू रखे, उसमें कोई चेंज ना करें. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, I have diabetes, I have high blood sugar, what should I do? सेम आंसर. आपके डॉक्टर ने लॉकडाउन के पहले जो आपको दवाई दी थी वो आप चालू रखो. आपके डॉक्टर ने आपको 3 हफ्ते के बाद बुलाया था, आप जा नहीं सकते, डोंट वरी. इनफैक्ट यू डू नॉट गो, डोंट गो आउट ऑफ योर होम. कंटिन्यू विथ योर blood sugar medicine as prescribed by your doctor before this lockdown, before this coronavirus. If you have a machine, please keep checking your sugars and try to contact your doctor on phone only. Please do not go out. As I told you, people with blood pressure, people with diabetes have high chance of negative outcome. जिसको blood pressure है, diabetes है, उनको ये बीमारी थोड़े ज्यादा सीरियस रूप लेती है. इसलिए इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, अगर एकदम जरूरत ना हो तो हाई ब्लड शुगर या हाई ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको पास मशीन है बीपी मापने का तो उसमें बीपी मापते रहिए. अगर आपके पास ब्लड शुगर मापने का मशीन है तो उससे ब्लड शुगर मापिए. अगर आपके पास मशीन नहीं है तो कोई टेंशन करने की जरूरत है, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं, अपनी जो दवाइयां आए वो चालू रखें. The third and the last question. I have heart problem, doctor. What should I do? I am very worried about it. मेरा बाईपास हुआ है, मेरा एंजियोप्लास्टी हुआ है, मुझे हार्ट अटैक हुआ था. कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको हार्ट अटैक है, आपको एंजियोप्लास्टी, आपको बाईपास है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको कोरोना वायरस से इन्फेक्शन ज्यादा होने की संभावना है. हाँ, ये संभावना है कि अगर आपकी उम्र ज्यादा है और आपको हार्ट की बीमारी है, अगर आपको कोरोना वायरस हो गया तो आपको हॉस्पिटल में थोड़ा लंबा रहना पड़े. दूसरा आदमी को 5 दिन में हम छुट्टी कर पाएंगे, आपको हम 10 दिन में छुट्टी करेंगे. तो डिजीज टेक्स लिटिल सीरियस फॉर्म इन पीपल हु हैव हार्ट डिजीज. बट कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे मैंने बोला, बार बार बोला मैंने, यूज मास्क, यू वॉश योर हैंड्स, डू नॉट टच योर माउथ, नोज एंड आईज, एंड प्लीज मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. Don't go for mixing other people. You will be protected. The protection is the biggest treatment for heart patients. Thank you so much. अब हम आपके जो भी questions है, हम आपके वो questions लेंगे. आपके पास जो भी question है आप बताइए. You
Sir,
type on this.
there are questions in the chat box.
Yes. So I will read. This is a question from Kunal which says, can you take suspected positive patient with you in your car for test? Yes, you can take it. Otherwise, how will you go? You can take him, but please take all the protections. जो पेशेंट को कोविड पॉजिटिव है उसको भी मास्क पहनाओ. जो ड्राइव कर रहे हैं वो भी मास्क पहने. कम से कम कार में उसको पीछे की सीट में बैठाए, कम से कम 3 फुट की दूरी पे बैठाए और सैनिटाइजर का लिबरली यूज करें. Then there is a question from Sri Kumar Panyam. As corona is a virus, non-living thing, as compared to bacteria, which is a living organism, assuming that we order medicine delivery or any other essential items delivery online, it is said that if the parcel box is kept in a corner unattended for 24 to 36 hours, then the virus becomes ineffective. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. It is partially correct. As I said, the worst part of this virus is it can remain on surface for a long time. आपके टेबल की सरफेस पे, आपके बॉक्स की सरफेस पे, आपके मोबाइल के सरफेस पे, पेन के सरफेस पे, it can remain, and it can remain for a period of more than 24 up to, in some of the surface, even up to 9 days. So आपके पास जो पार्सल आता है उसको आप सामने रख दे, पार्सल वाले से पार्सल लेके घर के कहीं कोने पे उसको रख दे और अपना हाथ बराबर से जाके धो ले. You wait for 24 to 36 hours and then you try to open that parcel. जब आप पार्सल ओपन करो, हाथ धोने के बाद ओपन करना है और तभी भी मास्क पहनना है. घर के अंदर भी मास्क पहनना है. लकीली जो कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स होते हैं, जो अपनी करेंसी नोट होती है, जो पेपर होते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर होते हैं, उसमें यूजुअली दिस वायरस रिमेन्स फॉर 3 to 4 hours ओनली. सो आप कुछ घंटे उसको अकेले छोड़ दोगे तो यू आर वेरी मच प्रोटेक्टेड. बट जब भी आप कोई पार्सल को हैंडल करो, प्लीज वेयर अ मास्क. वो पार्सल को जब हैंडल करते हैं वहां से कुछ थोड़ी सी हवा अगर लग गई तो आपको वायरस आ सकते हैं. तो मास्क पहन के, हाथ धो के पार्सल को खोलना है, पार्सल का बाहर का डब्बा फेंक देना है, अंदर की चीजों को ध्यान से अपने किचन में या रूम में लेके जाना है, ध्यान से मास्क निकालना है, मास्क को फेंक देना और फिर से अपना हाथ धो लेना है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. In
Sir,
March
there are 3 more questions. Do we need
to? Yes.
Do you need to wear mask at home or while driving the car?
No, when you are alone, you need not to wear it. But as somebody has asked, Mr. Bhavin has asked, if I'm carrying a COVID suspect patient to the hospital, should I wear a mask? Yes, that time you should wear a mask. But I always insist that you should wear a mask because sometimes policemen will stop you and you have to bring down your glass, so you are exposed. So if you are in a closed car, there may not be need to use a mask. But if you are going to open your window door, then it is most sensible to use a mask.
In the similar line, can we use reusable mask?
There are some reusable masks, but I am not sure of it. Please make sure whether they are reusable truly or not. If they are certified true reusable mask, which is coming up in the market now, some companies have done some research. You can use it for 7 days after washing it, and then you have to sterilize it, and you can every week you have to sterilize it, and after 4 weeks or 7 weeks you can throw it off. But I have not used this mask. I have no experience with this, and I don't know about it. In fact, today I saw one research by Israeli people. They have created a mask which will open with, you have to short off a clip. It will open up so that you can eat it also. Oh, this is a very interesting mask. it will open up. So with spoon or straw, you can have your food and everything, and then the mask will close. But there are a lot of researches are being done on the mask also. But as of now, I don't think so. You should be tempted by using reusable mask. Use a cloth mask if you are not a doctor. Wash it clearly. Do not reuse it again and again. If you've gone out and come back, then wash it. The same mask, you cannot use it again on the same day when you are going out in the evening. So reusable mask is I would say still not time tested. Do not reuse mask. Next question, Jayesh.
Sir, any comment on inhalation? Whether daily inhalation will help? Steam
No,
inhalation.
as I said, there is no proved therapy for it. But daily inhalation will not harm you. It might clear your other cough, cold, and fever, and all those things. But don't be under the wrong impression that daily inhalation with vapor will protect you. It may not harm you, but it will not protect you from coronavirus. Next question, Jayesh.
Should we open our shoes out of the flat or inside the flat?
Yes, as I said, this virus remains on surface for a long time. Now you are walking on the road, you are walking on the passage, and somebody has coughed over there. On that floor and passage, there are a lot of coronavirus which sticks to your shoes. So when you go out, I would strongly recommend use a rubber shoes or something. And when you come home, take out your shoes, take it and go to the bathroom and wash it. Use washable shoes. Don't use leather shoes. Or if you are using leather shoes, keep it out of home for at least 2 days. Or use rubber chappals, sleepers which are washable and wash it.
Yeah. Sir, one question on the pacemaker. How
Yes.
to get the pacemaker machine performance checked in these lockdown days? Will the technician come to house and check the machine?
Yes, if I tell a technician will come, but you are never sure whether technician is bringing infection to you or not. Most of these pacemaker people are aged people. So they should be protected from the young people who carry the infection to them. So it is not advisable to do pacemaker checking unless you have symptom, unless you have giddiness. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी धड़कन बहुत कम हो गई है, अगर आपको चक्कर आते हैं, घबराहट हो रही है, गिर जा रहे हैं, या लगता है धड़कन बहुत फास्ट हो गई है, you can postpone. In fact, all the routine things have been postponed. In all our hospitals, we are not doing any routine surgeries, angiographies. We are just treating heart-saving procedures like heart attacks, heart failure, paralysis, trauma, septicemia, infection. This is what we are doing. So you can safely postpone your pacemaker checking. There is no urgency. You can wait for 1 month, 2 months. There is no urgency.
So the next question is there any restriction on consuming cold beverages or homemade ice cream? And in the continuation of that, is there any benefit of gargling and consuming hot beverages?
There is no harm in using the cold beverages, particularly if they are homemade. You can have your homemade ice cream, you can have your homemade beverages, but there is no harm to it. The harm is that you should not carry infections. So don't take a sarbat or something which is you bought from outside. So this does not put you at extra risk using the cold beverages. Hot gargling will kill some other bacteria or viruses in your mouth, but it will not kill your coronavirus. So don't be under the wrong impression. You can do hot water gargling. It may give you some non-specific immunity by killing other viruses and bacteria. जब हम बोलते हैं हवा सांस लेते हैं, lot of कीड़े goes into our mouth and they remain in our mouth. That will be cleared, but coronavirus will not go with gargling. Any other question?
Yes, sir. Is sodium hypochlorite a good sanitization method?
Yes, sodium hypochlorite 0.1% solution is very good to clean the surfaces. It is not for cleaning your body or your skin or anything. It can clean the surface very well. You can use it, yes.
Does it mean that until vaccination is not developed, our lifestyle is changed as indicated? And does herd immunization come into effect for COVID-19 too in future?
Yes, our lifestyle will change for good. Our lifestyle will permanently change. अब जब हम बाहर जाएंगे हम लोगों से हाथ नहीं मिलाएंगे. हम social distancing maintain करेंगे. We will have to maintain social distancing. There will not be a big marriage party or birthday parties anymore. There will not be big crowds and gatherings. There will be, at least for a few months till we find the cure of this, there will not be any big parties. There will not be any big gatherings. You should maintain social distance. You should use mask and you should use sanitizer and soap and water. और मैं भूल गया क्वेश्चन क्या था?
लाइफ और फ्यूचर में कोविड-19 का
वैक्सीन को आने में मैं if my assumption is correct, it will take 1 year time. अभी initial data are very clear. अभी हम जो how the research is done. I have worked for more than a decade in a research company. how a new drug comes into the market. First we develop a new drug, then we give it to 5 and 10 healthy people. उनको हम हर हफ्ते ईसीजी निकालते हैं, हर हफ्ते उनका ब्लड टेस्ट करते हैं, उनको ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, उसको 4-6 महीने तक ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि उसको कोई बीमारी नहीं हुई. जब ये 10 पेशेंट में ऐसा 10 नॉर्मल आदमी में लगता है कि कुछ खराब नहीं कर रही है, then we tried on 100 people. Again we observe them for 6 months, उनका ब्लड टेस्ट करते, ईसीजी करते कि कोई ये दवाई की कोई गलत असर नहीं हो रही है. There are no side effect of this new experimental drug. Then once we realize that it is useful in healthy people, then we give it to a small sample of 100 people who are suffering from that particular disease for which we are developing this drug. तो उसको डिजीज वाले को दवाई देते हैं, उसको हम फेज 2 ट्रायल बोलते हैं. फेज 2 ट्रायल में अगेन वो लोगों को हम 6 महीने 1 साल तक देखते हैं, सब बराबर रहा, देन वी गिव इट टू 1000 people or 2000 people, ऑब्जर्व देम फॉर 2-3-4 years. जब तक कुछ गलत साइड इफेक्ट नहीं मिलती है और जो दवाई जिसके लिए हमने बनाई थी उस बीमारी पे उसका काम दिख रहा है, then and then this drug will come to market. तो टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग एक दवाई जब हम निकालते हैं उसको मार्केट आते आते 5 से 10 साल लगता है, बट ये डिफरेंट टाइम है. So now we will be giving very fast clearance. So now this drug has been tested in about 8 to 10 people. Now vaccine is being tested in 8 to 10 people, healthy people who had no coronavirus disease. It has been found that there is no safety signals, means there is no adverse side effects. Now this drug is being now tested on about 600 people. We will observe them for at least 2-3 months. We will take their ECG, we will take their blood test. We will see that they are developing any new disease or any problem or any complication. If nothing is found after 2-3 months, then this will be tested on people who have coronavirus disease. Right now it is being tested in people who are apparently healthy. So then it will be tested on people with coronavirus, and then again we will observe them for few months, 3-4 months. We will take their ECG, we'll do their blood test, we'll check their blood pressure, we'll check them sugar, we'll make sure that there is no dangerous side effect of this, and then this drug will be approved in the market. So in my opinion, despite all the fast track approval, it will take at least about a year for the vaccines to come in. But please do not worry, this drug will automatically give us immunity. I mean, this disease, not drug, this disease will give us. Young people will, when the lockdown is over, when they go to the work, when they come in contact with other people, they will get mild infection. Many of us, most of us will get mild infection, and in about 80 to 85% of people, we will develop our own natural immunity. We will develop our own natural antibodies. Then we will be protected. We will not get, hopefully, coronavirus infection second time. जैसे बहुत सारी बीमारियां like chicken pox, like polio, जो वायरस से होती है, जो एक बार हो जाती है तो सेकंड टाइम नहीं होती है. We know about the polio, we know about chicken pox, we know about smallpox. When we are affected once, it will never be affected. We will never get second time. Our body creates antibody against it, and it remembers it. Our body has a very nice system. They remember smallpox, chicken pox viruses. They remember about polio viruses. So even after say 10, 20, 30 years later, if you are exposed to a smallpox, chicken pox, or some other virus, we will not have any disease. Our body in antibody will kill them. So I'm hoping that once we get coronavirus antibody, either through natural disease or through vaccine, we will be hopefully protected for life.
Sir, I'm combining 3 questions. What are the recommended precautions for diabetic patient, heart patient, and pregnant patient during lockdown and post lockdown?
As I said, diabetes होता है या blood pressure होता है या जब heart की बीमारी होती है, तो ये disease थोड़ा ज़्यादा गंभीर रूप लेता है. तो ये सब देखा गया कि इनका hospitalization rate, duration of hospital बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, and some of them will die also, particularly people who are very old and aged. So मेरी सबसे बड़ी हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट, आप जिसको डायबिटीज है, ब्लड प्रेशर है, हार्ट की बीमारी है, घर से बाहर ना जाए. प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ, घर से बाहर ना. और उनके फैमिली मेंबर से भी मेरी हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट है, जो यंगस्टर्स है, कि आप बाहर ना जाए. आप बाहर जाओगे तो आप कोरोना वायरस को घर में लेके आओगे. आपको तो कुछ नहीं होएगा, बट आपके जो पेरेंट्स है या ग्रैंडफादर है, दे विल बी अफेक्टेड. आपने अभी पेपर में पढ़ा होगा, एक बॉम्बे के बहुत अच्छे सीनियर डॉक्टर 92 years के थे, रिटायर्ड थे, बहुत ही नाम था उनका. He died because of the coronavirus infection, and he did not move out of the home. His grandson came from London. Grandson had no problem, no fault of his grandson. His grandson had no fever, no cough, nothing. He came from London. He met his father. He met his grandfather. Grandfather was 92. He developed corona infection and died. His father is also a very good reputed surgeon. He was some 65 or 67. He also became positive. He was hospitalized. Since he was slightly of younger age, he recovered and came back. So my request to all the younger people who have aged parents in their home, please do not go out of the home. And if you go out of the home, please take double precaution, not for yourself, but to protect your old ones. अगर लॉकडाउन के बाद में थोड़ा बहुत तो हमें बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, some of us will also get infected, but as I said, even after lockdown permission has been given by government. Virus has not given you that permission कि मैं आपको अभी affect नहीं करूंगा, because it is now post 31st May. Government might allow you, your family members might allow you to go out, but virus may not allow you. And now we have too many virus cases in the society. Now it has gone into the community. So when you go out of the home, when the lockdown is lifted, please be extra careful now. Please be extra careful. Please use sanitizer. Please use your mask. Wash your hands when you come back from outside, from the office. Go to the bathroom. Wash your washable chappals. Wash your clothes. Wash yourself. And even in home, I would strongly recommend you maintain some distance with your old parents. At least maintain social distancing at home also. About pregnant people, in pregnant women, the disease is not that it will affect them more. It will affect them like any other people. But because there are two lives involved, pregnancies puts them at a danger. So we are dealing with two lives now. So we don't want any pregnant woman to be getting infected with coronavirus. But then there are a lot of reports that corona positive pregnant ladies have delivered normal child without any problem, either to the child or to the mother. And there are some reports that newborn child of a corona negative female, because of some infection, got infected. So newborn child can get infected. So in a pregnancy, we are dealing with two lives, so we have to be doubly cautious. But it is not that the pregnancy puts them at high risk of developing COVID infection.
Sir,
next question.
Sir, as you have mentioned in the lecture, as there is no need of angiography, everything is okay.
Yes.
So can I postpone my graphy or seeing doctor for graphy?
Yes. We are not doing any angiography from stable patients. You may be having block, you might be getting mild pain or something. We will increase your medication, but we don't want to do an angiography because, as I said, many of these people may be totally asymptomatic. And even those emergency patients which are going for angiography or angioplasty, when they come with heart attack, we always do COVID test for them. Unfortunately, COVID result comes after 2 days. So in sometime in emergency, we send their COVID sample and then take patient into operation theater and operate them. Unfortunately, when after 2 days this COVID result comes as a positive, patient's family member, all the nurses, all the doctors, all the IRs and ward boy have to be quarantined, and that is why hospital will collapse. Even that is what happened with me also. About 15 days back, I had seen a patient had no cough, patient had no fever, patient had little breathlessness. Patient had undergone an angioplasty, patient had a high blood pressure, and we thought because of high blood pressure and heart problem, this lady is having breathlessness. We admitted her, we sent her, though we never suspected it, but it was a part of hospital protocol to send the COVID report. So we sent a request for the COVID. The COVID request was accepted after 2 days, and they come and took the sample. On the 4th day, patient became all right. I discharged that patient. I came home, took bath, slept. In the night time, I got a phone call from my hospital that doctor, 2 patients which you have seen and discharged today, they have turned out to be positive. So I was at home for last 14 days, which I completed yesterday, and today I've started working. So if you try to do a simple case and who turns out to be positive, the hospital will collapse. The COVID patient will not get the treatment. So we have to protect our doctors, we have to protect our nurse, and we have to protect our patients also. And that is why only emergency surgeries are being done. Simple surgeries are not being done. They will be done once the COVID is settled. Otherwise, most of the doctors and hospital staff, including nurses, will be infected. Some of them will be killed, and there will be no doctors left to treat the sick patients.
Sir, 3 of the participants would like to ask you a question. They have raised their hand.
Yes.
First, we'll take Mr. Vinayak Apte. From long time he has raised hand. Mr.
Yes,
Apte,
Mr. Apte, go ahead with your question. Mr. Apte, unmute your mic and throw your question.
No, you have answered it, doctor.
Sir, I want to ask him one question.
Mr. Apte,
Hello?
please speak a little loudly.
I said your assistant raised that question to you. I asked specifically about angiography, which was to be done later on. but you have already answered that I need not do it urgently if
No.
there is no other reason. I
Yes.
don't have pain, I don't have any other symptoms, I don't step out of the house,
Yes.
so I need not see you urgently.
And we have to protect you also. If you try to do a simple angiography for you, it is quite possible that we might give you infection. So we don't want
So
to do it.
it is better to postpone it.
Postpone it. Postpone it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you.
madam. Somebody else wanted to ask a question.
Yeah. Sir, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah, so I,
Yes.
What about the grocery? That's like a milk, onion, potato. How
Yes.
to
When you go out and bring your groceries to home, leave it outside, just close to your home door or outside your kitchen for at least 4 or 5 hours. Don't touch it, the bag. After 4 or 5 hours, carefully remove everything from the bag and throw that bag into the dustbin, because there might be some virus sticking on the outside of the bag. And again, as I said you, when you are touching that grocery bag, please wash your hand, put on your mask, and then touch the grocery bag. When you have potatoes and green vegetables, you can wash them with slightly warm water. Or if you're very worried, you can use a small, all of you must be having bleaching powder or so-called bleach. Wash it with the bleach and then clear it with the regular water. And then you can use it. There are a few things like onion. You cannot wash an onion. So leave it onion exposed to sunlight for about 24 hours. It will go away, hopefully. Anything
Okay,
else?
and what about that milk?
Milk comes in a Tetra pack. So whatever is the packing of milk, you first wash your hands and then clean it, your milk outside packet of the milk. Then make a small cut in and remove and put the milk into your container and throw the outside container. But before you cut that outside pouch or a Tetra pack, please clean it with sanitizer, or please clean it with soap and water.
That milk
Yeah.
bag is immediately usable for
Pardon?
after wash.
I didn't get your question, ma'am.
मिल्क कंटेनर, जैसे कि मैंने मिल्क लाया है, वो कंटेनर में किचन में लेके जाके वॉश करके इमीडिएटली यूज कर सकती हूँ मिल्क?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं, yes,
ओके,
कर सकते हैं, but it is
इसके लिए
always
milk
advisable
कैसे
to,
बाहर रखने की जरूरत है?
madam, it is always advisable कि आप milk को गर्म कर लें. When you boil milk to about 100 degrees, almost all the bacteria, not only coronavirus, but most of the bacteria will go away. So if you want to use it without boiling, keep it for some time and then you can use it. You can use it immediately, provided you have not touched that milk while washing the outside container.
हाँ.
Sir, three more participants want to ask the question.
Yes, Mr.
Doctor?
Nicholas.
Shri Kumar Paniam.
Yes.
Sir, can you unmute yourself?
Thank you so much, Doctor. My question I placed about chat. Pacemakers and answers very well. I first of all would like to thank you so much for taking time and answering all these questions of all your patients. I'm so grateful that you are doing this. Thank you.
So I think, Mr. Sri Kumar, you wanted to know about the pacemaker things. There is
Right.
no pacemaker checking now. Please don't move your mother out of the home. Don't move, because moving out can be very dangerous for old people with poor heart and a pacemaker. So protect her. There is no need to do pacemaker checking now.
What kind of symptoms are you suggesting, doctor, for us to know that the pacemaker is not functioning properly?
Can you repeat the question, Jayesh?
What kind of symptoms do you think are seen to know that the pacemaker is not functioning properly?
If the pacemaker is not functioning properly, you will feel giddiness. You will feel chakkar. If you feel blackouts, chakkar, giddiness, then you must see your doctor. Try to get an ECG and send the picture of that by WhatsApp
Okay.
to your doctor. Even
Yes.
half of the time it is more because of the worry and anxiety. Now I see a lot of calls about worry and anxiety. Don't worry about it. Just if you feel giddiness, chakkar or something, try to get an ECG from nearby facility if it is possible, and take a picture and send it by WhatsApp. So you also don't go out of the home, your mother also don't go out of the home, and you don't come in contact with anybody. If
Yes,
as a
sir.
doctor, if I see your ECG and if I find it is grossly abnormal, then I'll call you to the hospital.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Mr. Sachin Dalvi.
so
Dalvi,
yeah, good evening, sir. And
Yes.
firstly, thank you very much for your wonderful tips. Now,
Thank you.
generally, sir, the cardiac patients, it is recommended that they walk briskly for at least 30 to 45 minutes.
Correct.
But
Correct.
now, in the current situation, sir, you have advised not to go out. So,
Yes.
if we have a building campus where there is space, so within the campus of the building, not outside.
Yes. If you feel within the campus, it is safe. Like in my building, we are doing sanitization of the whole building every week. We sanitize the lift because the infection can come from the passage. Infection can come from the lift. Lift button, many people are touching. Your watchman may be touching it. Your grocery wala may be touching it. The person who brings your parcels and couriers may be touching it. So you should be 100% sure that you have a safe locality to walk into. And even when you go down to your building in the walking, please maintain social distance. There may be, like you, there may be many other people who are walking. So please don't go close to them. Use your mask, wash your hand before you go out. And when you come back, wash your hand again and remove your mask. But go with mask on and maintain at least 3 feet distance, at least 1 meter distance from your neighbors who are also walking in the same building premises.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
Yes. Nicholas wants to ask a question. Mr. Nicholas. Unmute your mic,
You
sir.
have to unmute.
Mr. Nicholas, unmute your mic.
Okay. Sir, I am actually in Kerala for the last 2 months. March
Yes.
10th onwards, now I want to travel to Bangalore.
Sir, you are in a very safe locality. Kerala has done the best in the whole country. The coronavirus disease, they have controlled the best. Every doctor is now talking about Kerala model. My sincere request is to not to move out of the Kerala. You are in the safest possible place. In Bangalore, there are many cases and traveling might expose you to risk. The flights are starting from 25th. Flights will be available. Some trains will also start. But unless you have a very important work, I would strongly recommend don't go to Bangalore. Don't leave Kerala. Kerala is the safest place as of today now for coronavirus.
And sir, because of GERD, I have slight breathlessness because of GERD. A little bit mucus blocks I feel that my windpipe. So what precautions I should take? I'm continuing with that GERD medicine, rabeprazole.
Rabeprazole you take, but for you, if you have a cough or others, you can take that steam inhalation or you can do gargling with hot water. It might help you in those things to remove your thick cough. Don't be under wrong impression that it will prevent you from coronavirus, but your breathing difficulty and cough will be definitely helped by those things.
So nothing to worry about my slight breathlessness.
No. You are in the safest possible place in the country now. Probably in the world. Kerala has done the best. The mortality rate, the number of cases are least in the Kerala. So even Americans would prefer to come to Kerala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that.
Kaushikar, you want to ask something?
Yeah, in fact, Dr. C, I go to walk practically every day 2 kilometers, about 2.5 kilometers.
Yes.
Now that is totally stopped.
Yes.
And that makes me a little bit uncomfortable. I mean, so can I take a walk, say, in the society surrounding ground or somewhere, something like that?
Yes, as I told you, you can, if you have a society ground which is protected, means other people are not coming, outside people are not coming, then you can go for walk. I would strongly recommend don't use lift, go by stairs. And while going down by the stairs, don't touch the handle by the side of the stairs. Please do not touch the side railing of the stairs. Go down by stairs, don't go by lift. And walk in the building premises with a mask on and maintaining social distance. At least maintain 3 to 4 feet distance from other people. Don't use lift. And when you come back, climb the stairs without touching the side rails. Okay. When you come from outside, please use some washable chappals or shoes. Wash those things. Go straight to the bathroom. Take a bath and put all the clothes for washing. Wash your shoes also and throw your mask.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Those who cannot walk in the premises, those who cannot go out for the walking, you may walk within your home or you can do exercise within your home. That is equally beneficial. Do some yoga, and I would my strong recommendation to all of you is please spend 5 minutes time with your God. Sit in front of the God, do some meditation, stop worrying and walk in the home, do yoga in the home and stop worrying about it. Whatever we have, you worry about it. Don't worry about the future, that this will happen to me. If this happens to me, what to do? Please do not worry about the future. Nothing will happen to you. I am at your service. Nothing will happen to you.
Thank you, doctor.
Can I do
Thank you,
the
doctor.
exercise cycling? Is it okay?
Yeah, you can do. You have a stationary cycle in your home or in the
Yeah,
premises.
but considering the age and bypass operation and all that.
No, you can do cycling. Yes, but don't do it like a professional. Do a gentle cycling. You can do that. Yes, you can do it inside your home.
Sir Oliver.
Yes, Oliver. Go ahead with your question.
Okay, I go out in the evening for around 30 minutes on the highway. There are no other people. I mean, it's not crowded or something. I was not going out. Since last 20 days, I have started going out in the evening for around 30 minutes. And it's not crowded. Is it okay?
Yes, as I said, if you are assured that you are not going to come in contact with other people, if you can safely maintain 3 to 4 distance with other people, if you are using mask, if you are using sanitizers, then it is worth going out. Otherwise, it is not safe to go out. And
Okay.
if my request to all the smokers in the group, please stop smoking. This virus affects your lungs. So if your lung is weak, it is going to hit you hard. So all of those who are taking smoking has to stop it. Those who are taking khaini and tobacco, please stop it. Please avoid this. Protect your lung. Next, anyone else?
Yeah, Mr. Gaurang, and then Mr. Yashwant and Gordon. Mr. Gordon.
Yeah, go ahead with your questions. Mr. Gaurang.
गौरव सर गुड इवनिंग
Gaurang
सर
Bhattasale, yes.
यस यस सर अच्छा अपना तो your suggestion I am listening from since 5 p.m. okay very
Yes, sir.
very nice suggestion you have given about
Thank
the
you.
coronavirus okay sir one
Yes.
question I'm asking you
Yes.
45 days back I had a heavy blood pressure then I contacted over WhatsApp and at that time it was 165/95 then
Okay.
you suggested Alactone for only one tablet for a time, only in the evening. Okay. Now
Yes.
I'm continuing.
Yes.
Last 5 days back, I checked my blood pressure. It is
Ah.
now 136/78. Okay.
Very good.
It's
Excellent.
normal. Acha, sir, should I continue that medicine?
Yes,
till
yes,
now?
you continue. Your BP is well controlled. You continue with this.
Okay,
And
thank
very,
you.
very nice question you have asked.
Yeah,
Many things
yes.
we can handle on telephone. Please don't
Right.
rush to your
Ah.
doctor.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Many
Thank you,
things
sir.
we can handle
No.
by telephone.
Oh.
That is the approved indication,
No.
now, legally approved.
Okay, thank you, sir. When I
Thank you, sir.
got your message that you are on the this in the screen, okay.
Yes.
So
Thank
then
you,
and
sir.
then I thought that I will take your suggestion regarding
Yes.
your medicine prescribed.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Acha, one
Thank
more
you.
question, sir. One
Yes.
thing. I am
Yes.
taking Bicosul-Fort every day.
Yes.
Bicosul-Fort, is it? Can I take it Bicosul-Fort every day for
Yes, yes.
storm?
That is a vitamin. Yes, yes.
And my wife is also taking. Okay.
Yes.
As
Yes,
for
yes.
the because some it may increase the immunization, is it?
Yes,
So
yes. You can
I'm
take
taking
vitamin.
Bicosul-Fort.
You
Okay.
can take because
And
yes,
I and myself, my wife is not going outside since
please.
lockdown
You are
is
senior
started.
citizen. Mr.
Okay.
Bhattasale, you are senior citizen. You should not go out.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
So
you,
one
sir. Okay. Very
one
nice.
more question. One more thing I wanted to tell you. That government has now approved for telemedicine. Please make
Okay.
use of it. You can
Okay.
make payment or you can consult your doctor on WhatsApp, on a video call, on chat,
Ah,
whichever
yes,
way.
sir.
Plus,
Yeah.
because the doctors are overburdened and
Okay.
they are, I mean,
Yes.
what do I say? There is
Yes,
no
sir.
need to come to their clinic because
Ah.
in clinic there might be other patients. Some
yes,
other
sir.
people will be there. While you coming to the clinic, you come by rickshaw
Yes.
or car.
Sir,
The
you
rickshaw
have
wala can give you infection. That
yes, sir.
building lift is used by so many people, so many patients. They can give you
Of
infection.
this
So
Correct.
consult your doctor.
lockdown,
Yes, sir. I have taken your app.
can we
Okay.
have similar?
You give me information. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Many,
Someone else
many,
now.
many
Yes.
thanks. Many thanks. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Good evening, doctor.
Yes.
I would like to ask two questions.
Yes, Mr.
First is
Yasmin.
like, how do we differentiate between a normal cough and a suspected corona cough, if we can? And second is that you have also discussed a lot on the mask. So suppose if we are using a homemade cotton mask,
Correct.
can we use it after washing it?
Yes, yes. Every time you use it. But the mask which you have used in the morning, you cannot use the same mask in the evening without washing it. So whenever you use your homemade mask, when you come back home, immediately wash it with soap and water. You wash it. Homemade masks are the most comfortable mask. You can use it. but do not repeatedly use it without washing it.
And what about sir, what about the differentiation between the cough, normal cough and corona cough?
Normal cough, all of us do get it, and this is the season of influenza. So if you have mild fever with little bit of cough, running nose, don't panic, don't worry about it. Usually, if you have a very high grade fever, very dry cough, very disturbing throat pain, and severe body ache, along with breathing difficulty. The most important part is breathing difficulty. If you find that you are unable to breathe, you have too much of cough and high grade fever, please go to your doctor and test yourself for COVID. In today's era, I think everything should be suspected as COVID. It always makes sense to test it and prove yourself as a negative.
But in case of senior citizens, sir, you know, many a times the breathlessness is associated with them as well. Maybe they may not have the other symptoms.
Yeah. But if you don't have fever, then don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yes, human body is a very complex body. There are some people who, as I told you, my patient came with only breathlessness. He had no fever, no cough, nothing. So sometimes odd symptom persists. But what if you feel the symptoms are something out of proportion, what they were from 10 days back and now it is something more, then you must test yourself, or at least take the advice from your doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other questions? So thank you so much. I was very worried about all my patients. So I've sent this message to all my patients whose number I had. And I'm very grateful to my friend, Mr. Jayesh, who had organized this. He's a technical person. He organized this. So I'm very happy to see you all personally, though I'm unable to see you in a real life, but virtually I can see your face. And I feel that all of you are looking very healthy and happy. I pray to God that you stay safe, stay home. And if there is any problem, please get in touch with me. Don't panic. Don't panic. That is the message I want to tell you. This disease will affect many, many people in the world, but only a small number of people will die. So please do not worry and learn to live with this. There is no point in running away from this. We have all to learn to live with this. So we have to maintain social distancing, wash our hand more frequently, not to touch our nose, mouth and eyes, and please use mask gently. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
So much, doctor. Thank you.
Please
Thank you.
stay safe.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thanks a lot, doctor.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Doctor.
Thank you.